would drive with their parent, with an older sibling, who you feel safe and secure with. Because it's really important that you feel comfortable and you feel safe. It's not about me. It's not about your mom and dad. It's about you. Y-O-U. Once you feel comfortable driving in the parking lot, and what I would do if I was training you, I would get you in the parking lot. I would have you go up and down all of the aisles. If you're turning right, I want to see you turn the wheel and look to the right. If you're turning left, I want to see you turning the wheel and look to the left. Once I feel that you have control of the vehicle, we're going to start going in neighborhoods. We're going to work on great speed control. Speed control is when you have control of your vehicle in a neighborhood, which is 25 miles an hour. When I see you feeling comfortable in the neighborhood, then I'm gradually going to expose you to some small thoroughfares, some small streets. I want to see you come up to the edge and look to the left and check traffic. I want to see you come up to the edge and look to the right and check traffic. We will go in stages. Usually the lesson is about 1 hour. I will get you in the car, show you where the steering wheel is, the brake, the gas, all of the necessary things. You want to look straight ahead. When you first get into the car, I want you to put on your seatbelt. Then I want you to be comfortable. I would have the air conditioning on. I don't want us too warm in the car. I want you to relax.